Good afternoon, it's the 21st of October 2013. Just going to run through today's trades on EU firstly. The reason we took them to set up what we're looking for and all that. Okay, so the 4 hour and the 1 hour candles are not giving enough pips at the minute, so we've gone down to the 5 minutes to pull them out the market down here. Now the first plausible wet entry we had this morning was a pin bar, extremity on the RSI, in a resistance zone. So a standard trade, entry underneath the pin bar, stop above, and third target we're looking for already. So we're looking for a 3-to-1 risk reward on this on this trade, on all trades on a 5 minute. Okay, so target 1 hit, target 2 hit, target 3 hit. Now then we have a green hammer, my favourite candlestick. This is extremity reading on the RSI and taking along above that. So exactly the same setup. Entry above the pin, stop below, target 1, 1-to-1, target 2, 2-to-1, target 3, 3-to-1. Okay, see how she plays out. Now price did mess around a little bit, and at this point formed a 0.4 of a potential 0.5. So she's now come down to support that this pin bar set, that level. Stops below, so if she does breach this, then she's going the other way anyway. Still in the long, bounces back up. Now this is our 0.5. This is actually has formed a 0.5 here, so we should be looking for a longer bounce up. And our target 3 is up there, 683. Back at entry, target 1, target 2, target 3. Okay, she then formed a. This is a 786 here at this level here. This is a harmonic. A beautiful Gartley, so, and a pin bar, so short underneath the pin bar, stop above, looking for target 3 on this. Okay, entry picked out, no problem. Re-entry, same level, very strong setup. So we're gonna take this again and target 1, target 2, target 3, and out of trade. Now target 3 called a long, we had a 0.5. This is a spinning top, which in my opinion is good enough. It's a pin bar, so exactly the same again. We've got a buy above, stop below, targets 1, 2, 3. Target 1, target 2, target 3, and that's it for the day. At this point, it's not really worth, in my opinion, trading the 5 minute candles after 3-4 o'clock in the UK trading day. So that's it. So we had a total of 4 trades on this pair. All 4 of them hit target 3. One of them was stopped out first for a -1%, and then on the re-entry hit 3. So it's a very good day on EU today. And that about rounds it up for the day on EU. Okay, so now we're on to AU, Aussie dollar. Beautiful couple of pin bars here at 5:30 AM. Unfortunately, not in my trading time window, so missed that one, missed a drop down. We did then, however, have an extremity on the RSI and a harami. Not a pin bar, but that's good. This is a good enough entry to me. This would have been at 786, this low to high here. So we've got a Fibbo, harami, and target 1, 2, 3. Stop underneath the low, the swing, obviously, same as usual. Entry triggered. Just waiting for targets on that, and target 3 achieved. Okay, so we're out of the trade at that point. Looking for the next trade to come along. Nothing really setting up decently. Then we have a harmonic formation with a pin bar. So entry as usual underneath the pin, stop above, target 1, 2, 3, same as usual. Okay, so entry there. Target 1 achieved. target 2 achieved, and target 3 achieved. So out the trade at that point. There wasn't any follow-up trade on that one, so there was only 2 trades on AU today, but both of the trades hit 3 to 1 on this pair. So nice pair to trade today this was. Okay, on the cable we had 0.5 this morning. Now this didn't satisfy my my criterion, and I didn't go short on this. I know Greg did call a short on this pair, but I didn't. So this was a 0.5, but in my opinion not valid. We did have an extremity on the RSI. There was nothing else confirming it. We then had a harmonic with a pin bar, which we should have gone short on, but I didn't call this. We were already in a short from Greg's call, which is excellent. Price fell down, collapsed, and then we had a setup. Now the 0.5, this 0.5, the target for this is this black line here. Now price got to this level and rejected it. Okay, so we then had an extremity reading on the RSI, and we had a potential head and shoulders setup. So we had a lower low here, a higher on the RSI, and then what we were waiting for then was a shoulder formation, preferably a pin bar, and then we would take a trade on that. So there was the pin bar, beautiful at the shoulder formation, 786 Fibonacci, ideal setup. We've got divergence on the RSI, and same as usual, entry above the pin bar. Now if this was a head and shoulders breakout, not using the pin bar, we would have waited for price to close below, sorry, above the neckline. But because it was a pin bar, beautiful signal, my favourite, and off we go. So just 3 to 1, obviously as usual, target 1, target 2, target 3 achieved. Okay, so there was only 1 trade for me on this pair today, but Greg did call this short in the room. So nice day on cable as well. Okay, on to EJ. We had a lovely dark cloud cover there this morning at 7:30. I didn't take this trade personally. We were in an RSI extremity, and it was a valid short trade, but I didn't take it. Looking for the first pin bar. It's an uptrend, obviously, so we're looking for a long pin bar. Green pin bar, green hammer looking for with divergence. Okay, so we had a blue hammer, that's fair enough. We've got divergence, we've got a lower price. RSI staying the same. Entry above the hammer, stop below, looking for 3 to 1. Target 1, target 2, target 3. Okay, we had a little 1, 2, 3 breakout here. These are only ever good for 1 to 1s if you want to take these. I'm not a great fan of these, but this one did pay out 1 to 1. Okay, 0.5 formed, looking for a break below the rising support. Now we're not in an extremity here. We haven't got a pin bar, so it's not a very strong trade, but still it's a trade. So entry at 4:15 under the rising support, stop above the swing high, and take it in. However, we had a 707 form here, Harami, so counter hedged at this point, still short on this 0.5, long on this. Target 1 achieved at the entry, so close this short there. Target 2 achieved on the long, target 3 achieved on the long. Okay, so 3 or 4 trades on this pair today, no losses.